Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual-bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to crosscut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The Glide Saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the axial glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new Glide Saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning.
Hi, I'm Martin here at Makita, and I'm going to show you how to do a biscuit joint using the PJ 7000 biscuit joint. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to biscuit joint these two laminates together. So start by lining them up. We can just mark a pencil line across in two places. You take the biscuit joiner. I'm going to use number 20 biscuits. So on the depth stop on the tool, we'll set it on top to number 20. On this side, if you undo that lever there, you can adjust the base plate up and down, but we want to set it so it's on the centre of the board.
If you struggle to drill a straight hole, and who doesn't, then you're going to want to see this. Woodpecker's new Auto Line Drill Guide goes where a drill press can't and keeps your bit perpendicular to your work. The standard hex shank fitting mates to any cordless or corded drill in seconds. Even faster for impact drivers and quick change adapters. Tight tolerance bearings and a 1/2 inch geared chuck deliver minimal runout. The chuck carrier rides on Teflon bushings, following polished stainless steel columns. Notice the taper machined in the column. That's where you lock the depth stop. With minimal clamping force on the stop knob, the taper prevents the stop from slipping, no matter how many times you bang into it. But drilling your hole straight is only half the battle. You also have to put that hole in the right place, and this tool has several ways to help with that. First, there are laser engraved guides in the base. Line them up with your witness marks, and your bit is perfectly centered. Next, we included a versatile fence system. The fence guide rods mount to any edge of the base, and the fence mounts to the guide rods in 4 different positions. You can slide it under the base to work close to an edge. You can turn it around to obtain maximum distance. You can flip it on edge to have a wider base, or you can put the thin edge down and create an outrigger for additional support. When you need a hole centered on your stock, remove the centering pins from their storage position, thread them into the bottom of the base. Now hold one pin tight to each side of your board, and your bit is right on center. The hole in the base allows for drills up to 1 inch. When you need to drill larger holes, just remove the column caps, turn the chuck carrier around, and now you can use up to 2-inch Forstner bits. We even machined a V into the base to help you drill round material. Woodpecker's Auto Line Drill Guide. Precision drilling wherever you need it. Order yours today.
Hi guys, Michael from Makita, and today I've got the new 18 volt ×2 brushless 305mm slide compound saw. The DLS 211 is powered by 18 volt ×2 technology, and this is going to give you power equal to that of an AC saw without leaving the 18 volt platform. Complementing the 18 volt ×2 technology, this saw features automatic torque drive, which will optimize the RPM and the torque depending on the load conditions, ensuring you get a fast and efficient cut each time, no matter what material you're cutting. With a 305mm or 12-inch blade, the DLS 211 comes standard with an EpiCut saw blade, perfect for fast and efficient cutting, but is also going to give you maximum runtime with your cordless units. For a maximum cutting width of 92 by 382, or a maximum cutting height of 107 by 363. Built with a rail forward design, this single sliding system allows for smooth operation and smooth cutting, while the laser line ensures dead accurate cutting every time. Another great feature on this saw is the dual stage dust extraction system. With 2 extraction zones, one behind the fence and one behind the blade, the saw achieves maximum dust extraction efficiency regardless of the size of material being cut. Complementing this dual stage system is the AWS technology, Makita's Auto Start wireless system. When paired with a compatible Bluetooth vacuum, this saw will operate the vacuum when the trigger switch is pulled, and the vacuum will automatically stop once the switch has been released. The DLS 211 has a maximum miter capacity of 60 degrees left and right, and also has a maximum bevel capacity of 48 degrees left and right, with this forward-facing knob for easy adjustment without having to reach around the back of the saw. So that's the new 18 volt ×2 brushless 305mm slide compound saw. Thanks for watching.